We are going to look at My Reports in Vestige DMP today, and the ways to create a customized report and subscribe to reports. From the Reports section of the navigation, we are on the My Reports page. My Reports are unique to each user in the subscription. We're going to start by creating a new report. We see a new blade open where we can give our report a name and pick a report template to start with. In DMP, we have a number of different report templates to choose from. We will start with a Geofence entry-exit report template. Once you pick your template, the stepper will be created to reflect the necessary steps based on that template. First, we will select the asset group and/or assets we want to run this report for. Selecting a group will automatically select all the assets in that group. You can see the difference between assets selected by a group or by an individual asset reflected in different colors on the checkboxes. Next, for this report, we have to pick groups of geofences or individual geofences. Some reports will have columns you can turn on or off and reorder. You can reorder by clicking and dragging on a handle for any column. Last, we will define a time frame for the report to run. You can select predetermined time frames. Helpful when running reports, subscriptions, or a custom time frame will bring up a date picker. Here we will select our from date and to dates for this report. You can change the time frame with the arrows or by clicking on a number, as well as changing from AM to PM. At this point, we could save the report, or we can run the report to see if the results are what we are looking for. Running the report will open up a new tab in the browser and build the report based on our criteria. In our report viewer, there are a number of tools. We can change from a pageable report to a scrollable report, download the report in multiple file formats, or print the report. All reports will indicate when the report was run, as well as the date range and any variables from the My Report definition. Going back to My Reports, we are still editing this report. We can use the stepper to go to any point and make changes. Let's change the report template we are using. This will adjust the steps necessary based on the template. In the Groups and Assets section, you can also filter by asset group name or asset name. Real-time results will show up as you type. This report template does not require the Geofence picker, so that step is no longer available. This report does have some additional parameters for defining what a start and stop is, so we need to see that step available to us. We will run this report without saving yet. In some reports, you will have added functionality. Here we see a start-stop summary report showing trips. The trips are also clickable to see the detailed locations of each trip. The parameters section has also shown up on this report. We will close this blade without saving, and the platform will confirm we want to continue. Any report that has been saved will be available to run at any time by clicking Run Report to the right of the blade. This is an event summary report. Some reports will have a table of contents that allow you to jump to specific locations within the report. Here we are jumping to a specific asset section to see the summary of events for that asset and total number of events. To see the details of any save report, you can click on the blade and it will expand. Let's subscribe to this report by clicking on Subscriptions tab. Here we can enable a report subscription, define who we want to receive this report. They do not have to be users of the platform. Type in a subject for the email, pick the file formats we would like sent, and the frequency we would like the report sent at. I'm picking first day of the month, so we need to tell DMP at what time of the day we want the report delivered and save it. My Reports in Vestige DMP is designed to provide a user various types of report templates and a dynamic, intuitive report creation UI, as well as a report viewer that provides the user with additional tools to interact with and navigate the data. Any further questions regarding this or any other topics, please see our other resource videos or contact support@vestigegps.com.